The Spanish Air Force's FA-18 fighter jet narrowly avoids disaster after executing a sharp, unexpected roll. Watch as these Blue Angels FA-18 fighter jets shift into a diamond formation just seconds after takeoff. This Cargolux Boeing 747-8 is honored with a water salute to mark the captain's retirement. This Emirates Airbus A380 is on final approach when a flock of birds suddenly crosses directly ahead. This Astro Air McDonnell Douglas MD-80 engages full reverse thrust to pull away from its parking stand. This EasyJet Airbus A320 is compelled to abort its landing at the very last moment because a vehicle is on the runway. The Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8 commences its takeoff from a runway intersection, only to overshoot the far end.
It's going to Alicante.
Never seen that before.
Never seen a 737 take it from there. What are you thinking as a passenger sat on that now if you know the airport? Oh my goodness. Wow. No way. Wow, bet they don't do that again.